drop by. Meaning, to visit informally. Example, feel free to drop by any time. Try on. Meaning, to test clothes by wearing them. Example, can I try on this jacket? Bring up. Meaning, to mention or introduce a topic. Example, Sarah brought up an interesting idea during the meeting. Carry on. Meaning, to continue. Example, please carry on with your work. Catch up. Meaning, to reach someone or something ahead. Example, you go ahead, I'll catch up later. Drop off. Meaning, to deliver someone or something. Example, I need to drop off these documents. Show up. Meaning, to appear or arrive. Example, he didn't show up for the meeting. Come up with. Meaning, to think of an idea or plan. Example, John came up with a great solution to the problem. Get along. Meaning, to have a good relationship. Example, Sarah and John get along very well. Give up. Meaning, to stop trying. Example, don't give up on your dreams. Go on. Meaning, to continue. Example, the show must go on despite the rain. Hold on. Meaning, to wait a moment. Example, hold on, I'll be right back. Look after. Meaning, to take care of. Example, she looks after her younger brother. Look forward to. Meaning, to be excited about something in the future. Example, I look forward to our vacation next month. Make up. Meaning, to invent a story or lie. Example, he made up an excuse for being late. pick up. Meaning, to collect someone or something. Example, can you pick me up from the airport? Put off. Meaning, to delay or postpone. Example, they put off the meeting until next week. Run out of. Meaning, to have none left. Example, we ran out of milk, so I need to buy some. Cut down. Meaning, to reduce. Example, I need to cut down on sugar. Set up. Meaning, to arrange or establish. Example, they set up a new company last year. Take off. Meaning, to remove clothing or to leave the ground, airplane. Example, the plane took off on time. Take care of. Meaning, to look after or be responsible for. Example, please take care of my plants while I'm away. Turn down. Meaning, to refuse or reject. Example, she turned down the job offer. Break down. Meaning, to stop working, machines. Example, my car broke down on the way to work. Turn off. Meaning, to stop a machine or light. Example, please turn off the lights when you leave. Work out. Meaning, to exercise or solve a problem. Example, I try to work out every morning. Write down. Meaning, to write something on paper. Example, please write down your phone number. Come across. Meaning, to find by chance. Example, I came across an old photo album in the attic. Back up. Meaning, to support or make a copy of data. Example, make sure to back up your files. Break up. Meaning, to end a relationship. Example, they broke up after 5 years together. Bring out. Meaning. To publish or release. Example, the company will bring out a new product next month. Check out. Meaning. To investigate or leave a hotel. Example, let's check out that new restaurant. Come back. Meaning. To return. Example, I'll come back in a minute. Come in. Meaning. To enter. Example, come in and have a seat. Find out. Meaning. To discover or learn. Example, I need to find out what time the movie starts. Get back. Meaning. To return. Example, when will you get back from your trip? Give away. Meaning. To donate or give for free. Example, she gave away all her old clothes. Figure out. Meaning. To understand or solve. Example, can you figure out how to fix this? Go ahead. Meaning. To start or proceed. Example, go ahead and start without me. Grow up. Meaning. To become an adult. Example, I grew up in a small town. Hang out. Meaning. To spend time socially. Example, do you want to hang out this weekend? Keep up. Meaning. To maintain the same pace. Example, keep up the good work. Pay back. Meaning. To return money owed. Example, I'll pay you back tomorrow. Put on. Meaning. To dress in clothing. Example, put on your coat, it's cold outside. Take out. Meaning. To remove or extract. Example, please take out the trash. Wake up. meaning to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.